In this video, I'm going to reveal exactly how you can make your first $1,000 with affiliate marketing as soon as this week. I'm going to share with you 3 completely different, totally free methods that you can use all without a following, experience, or needing more than 10 minutes per day. That way you can choose which one you like best and focus just on that one. Now, before I dive in, on the last video, I gave away the chance to win 3-night stay in a luxurious hotel in Las Vegas to one lucky viewer. The winner from the last video is Praveen Kumar. If this is you, please email me at @Garrett'sVacationGiveaways@gmail.com so I can verify and give you your prize. But without further ado, let me go ahead and dive right in. So the best and easiest way to make $1,000 with affiliate marketing is to promote a high ticket product. This is a product that costs more for someone to buy, but you need way less sales. In fact, some commissions will pay you as much as $2,000 per commission. So you only need one to double your goal. So clickbank.com is one place you can find these type of products. You just go here, click start here right there. And then you go ahead and answer these simple questions to go ahead and register for an account. Now, once you're inside of ClickBank, you go ahead and log in and access different products. So if you decide to use ClickBank to find products to promote for this strategy, then you want to go to the top tab under Marketplace, and they have all these different categories. Now, for the sake of this video, we're gonna be using e-business, e-marketing. Now, I will say ClickBank is not my favorite place to find products to promote. The payouts are a little bit slow. What you can do is you can actually go to the first link below, check out that free training, which reveals how to get paid instant 100% commissions. But for this video, I'm going to be using ClickBank. Okay, so once you're inside of the e-business, e-marketing category right there, we want to actually go up here and sort results by average dollar per conversion. And we want to actually look at this right here because this is going to allow us to make a lot more money per sale. Okay, so if our goal is $1,000 with affiliate marketing, if we promote one product that pays us $1,000, then it's going to be a lot easier than making hundreds of sales, making a very small amount of money. Okay, so the next thing we want to do is we want to look at the gravity score because this tells us how well this product's selling. So you don't just want to look at this, you actually want to look at this too and make sure it's ideally, at least 20, at least 30. Okay, so we can kind of go through and we want to find one that has a good average dollar per conversion with a higher gravity score. This one right here, so this has $468 per average conversion and then a gravity score of 32, okay, which is actually pretty good. This one actually has a little bit better gravity score and it's close to the average dollar per conversion, perpetual income 365. I'll just choose this product for this video. So again, with this, you would only need 2 sales to hit your goal of $1,000. So now if you're using ClickBank, you just click promote and you just click create hop link, and then we copy our affiliate link at the bottom right there, and then we can put it in a notepad file to actually keep this handy. Now, the next step is we're gonna use the very first free method to get people to click our link so we can start making sales. So if we go over to Twitter, a lot of people don't realize you can make a ton of sales from Twitter for free. You want to actually create an account if you don't already have a Twitter account. Now, what you wanna do is you wanna click this little icon here and we wanna write a tweet. Now, this has to do with the product you're promoting, okay? So for the sake of our example, this right here is teaching people how to make money online, obviously, and we can actually look over it a little bit more and find out what this product actually is. So it says how ordinary people are manipulating the secret algorithm. So I can actually just copy that headline right there, and I can go back to Twitter and I can put that in like this. And I can say, discover how ordinary people are manipulating the secret algorithm and making tons of money. Then once we use the headline to create interest, create curiosity to get people interested, then we could say, click here for free video revealing more. Okay, then what we can do is actually go over to a site called tinyurl.com. We can go ahead and open up our affiliate link, paste it in here, and then just click make tinyurl. What this does is this shortens this long, unattractive affiliate link and it makes it more appealing, okay? You can just go ahead and copy that right there, and we can go back to Twitter and just paste that in. So I can make this, space post like this. Discover how ordinary people are manipulating this secret algorithm and making tons of money. Click here for free video revealing more, and then has our affiliate link that's shortened. Now, the next thing you can do to make this even better is go to Google Images and just type in the niche followed by results. So if you're in the health and fitness niche, you can do health and fitness results. If you're in the dating niche, you can do like dating results, but we're gonna do make money online results and just search this. And then we just wanna see, you know, if someone's posting about making money. You can also type in things like ClickBank results, okay? Because ClickBank is a way to make money. So I can literally just take this image, okay? I can download it to my computer and then I can re-upload it on Twitter, as I'll share in a second. Okay, so all I have to do is click this little icon and then upload the file. Okay, so you can see I did that right there. Now this post is looking pretty darn good. Now the next thing we wanna do is we actually just want to tweet this out right here, okay? And then once we tweet it right here, one thing I like to do is I like to click here to like it. So that adds social proof. That starts to get other people thinking it's a popular post because people are liking it. And then what we can do is click these three dots and just click pin to your profile. And that's gonna actually pin it to the top. Now I don't wanna do that because I already have this one pinned right here, but this is another example of me using this method. Now, once we actually pin it right there, the next step is we wanna go over to a free site called tweakedeck.twitter.com. All the links are gonna be below in the description. What this does is you can connect your Twitter account and it allows you very, very powerful tools to make commissions. So I can go to add column, I can go to search, and then what we wanna do is we want to put in a quote mark followed by a phrase that someone who would potentially wanna buy our product would be typing, okay? So because we're giving away a product, we're selling a product that teaches people how to make money online, I can say, I want to make more money, okay? Because that would be a phrase someone would be saying if they wanted to make more money. And then I can just hit enter. Now, what this literally does is this searches through all the Twitter accounts for anyone that said that exact phrase. Okay, I want to make more money. I want to make more money and do the bare minimum. It's crazy, etc. Let me see. I want to make more money. Okay, and you can see these are 3 days ago, 7 hours ago, 6 hours ago. So these are people that literally in this moment are wanting to make more money. And if we get in front of these people and we present our offer, it's going to be very easy to start to make commissions. So what I would do is I would just click this right here and I would just say something like, hey, I saw that you said you want to make more money. This is a bit random, okay, because it is kind of random messaging them, but we say that so they won't say it, right? We point out the obvious so it gets a little bit rapport. This is a bit random, but if you want to see a very easy way I found to make money, check out the link in my pinned post, okay? Something like that, and then we can literally just copy, tweet, and then just go through and literally just respond to these people. Now, you don't want to do too many before switching this up because, you know, Twitter could get alerted that you're just kind of posting the same message. So kind of switch it up every few things. But this is an incredibly simple, free way you can get laser targeted leads. These people are hot, they're interested, they're ready to have a solution. And again, they're going to go here, they're going to read over our pinned post, they're going to see this result, and they're going to click our link. And because it's high converting, they're going to buy in many cases, giving us our $1,000 with affiliate marketing. Now, the next place to make money is you can actually just go to facebook.com, okay? Now, one thing you can do is you can go search right here and you can type in a few words that have to do with the niche your product is in. So in my case, make money online. I can go ahead and search that. And then we want to sort results by groups. And what this is going to share with us is popular groups of people that are interested in the topic that our product is in, okay? So you can see right here, this has 169,000 members. Okay, so what we want to do is we want to look for groups that are in the niche that have a lot of members, but also have a lot of frequent posts. Okay, so you can see right here, this one has 65,000 members and 10 posts a day. So this is very active, which is what we want. Okay, so once you find a group that's active, you want to open that up. And now what we want to do is we want to actually go down here and we want to make a post that's going to ask people to comment for information. Okay, because we're going to start to generate free leads that we can send those people the link to our affiliate link. So I have an example right here that I did on my profile some time back. And all I did was I just piqued people's interest. Okay, you don't want to give away too much in this post. You just want to capture their attention. So I said, wow, I just found an instant paying 100% commission opportunity to get paid from your smartphone. Comment 100 for info. So I'm basically not telling them what opportunity. I'm leaving that out. So they have to ask me for information to find out. And then I'm telling them to comment a specific word. Sometimes Sometimes it's 100. Sometimes I say comment info for more information, okay? And you can see I had 86 comments of people, you know, 100, 100, 100, 100. And then all I do is I just open up their profile and then I would just message them the link to my affiliate offer, okay? I'd say, hey, I saw you commented. Here's the link for more information. And you just send them the link. Very easy way to start to get free leads. And again, at the first link below, if you use that, you're gonna discover how to get paid up to $2,000 instant commissions. So very, very effective. Now, the last method to start to generate free traffic and make these sales is if we go over to YouTube. Don't worry, you don't have to put your face out there. You don't have to create your own videos. What you wanna do is go to the search bar, search in a few words that have to do with the product you're promoting. So in our case, make money online. And then all you have to do is go to filters and filter by Creative Commons. Now, what this is this is a specific type of license that you can upload videos with that gives other people the right to download and reuse your video, okay? So you can see this video right here, make money online starting from scratch. This is a Creative Commons video. This one right here, we typically want to look for some that have higher views. So this one right here, right? The fastest way to make money online with an email marketing newsletter. Okay, so this is a Creative Commons video. So what I could do is I could literally just right click and go copy link address. And then I can go to a site like ssyoutube.com. Again, links below. And I can paste in that person's YouTube video link. And what this allows us to do is download their video. Okay, again, they're giving us the right to do this. I can download this person's video to my computer, to my phone, and then I can use it, as you'll see in a second. So let me download it right now. Okay, so once you do that, what you can do is go over to a site called rumble.com. You want to create a free account. And what this allows you to do is upload videos, and then you can actually put your affiliate link in the description of that video. And as the video ranks and starts to get views, you can start to get clicks and sales. So you would just click this right here, click upload video. And then what we would do is click on here, and then I will choose that video that I just downloaded from YouTube. Okay, so now that the video is uploaded, the next thing is the title. Now you can go to the actual video on YouTube and you can copy this title right here. I can go back there and I just wanna make it slightly different. Okay, the fastest way to make, so I can say the easiest way to make money with an email list. For the video description, I can literally just go ahead and say, this method works great, but to see my #1 way to make money or to lose weight or to attract your ideal lover, whatever your niche is, click here. Okay, and then we would just go ahead and use the tinyURL link that we used before. Go ahead and paste that in. You can choose a thumbnail if you want. And then we literally just put in some tags, make money online, work from home, and then we just click upload. Now, once it's uploaded, this video with this title and your affiliate link will start showing up in the results. People will see it because it has a, decent views on YouTube. We already know it's a good video, so people will want to watch it. They'll see the description, they'll click the link, they'll buy. And because we're promoting high ticket products, we only need 1 or 2 sales to hit our $1,000 affiliate marketing goal. Well, there we have it, my friend. I really hope you enjoyed learning these 3 separate strategies. Again, go down to the link in the description. That first link takes you to my #1 affiliate program to promote that will literally pay you up to $2,000 so you can double your goal with just 1 commission. If you like the video, subscribe to the bell icon so you never miss out on my latest videos. And until next time, my friend, thanks for watching, and I'll see you on my next training.